Hello, I am Dr. Durgeshnandan and we are presented here the topic from fundamentals of agronomy, and we have a content. Today we will discuss about that content: crop nutrition, manure, fertilizer and nutrient use efficiency. What's the crop nutrient and what's the criteria of essentiality? Because how we get from that ki how many nutrients are very important for the crop development, and after that to the fulfill the requirement of the crop nutrients. So where we get to questions, we will discuss the whole topics, whole contents about the crop nutrient, manure, fertilizer and nutrient use efficiency. As per the criteria of essentiality, the first DI, RNM and PR Stott. These are the two persons which discovered the criteria of essentiality, and after the criteria of essentiality we have found that 17 essential nutrients to the development of the crop. At the earliest these are the only 16, and later on one more elements it's added like as nickel, and we got that total 17 nutrients as reflected criteria of essentiality. So in 1939, DIRNM and PI Stott discovered the criteria of essentiality and basically divided the nutrients into category macro and micro. So macro our the category of three categories: basic nutrients, primary or secondary nutrients. So basic as carbon, hydrogen or oxygen. These are the primary nutrients. Plants generally got it from the nature. We doesn't need to provide artificially. And then second one, primary nutrients. We have discussed about the basic nutrients: carbon, hydrogen or and oxygen. So these basic nutrients provided generally presented in nature, and plants take from the nature, it's naturally and very simply way. Then the primary nutrients has came here, and primary nutrients are three major: nitrogen, phosphorus and potash. So nitrogen also presented in nature and in our soil, and phosphorus too and potash too. But these are the three major nutrients which played the vital role in the development of the plant growth, and artificially we have provided too. Then secondary nutrients we have calcium, magnesium and sulfur. These are the secondary nutrients which played the vital role in the growth and development of the plant, and artificially we can provide and artificially we can create too. Then the second category is the major micronutrients. So our 9 elements are presented in macro, and remaining 8 is micronutrient. So here you can list it which is required less than 1 part per million in plant, like a zinc, copper, manganese, ferrous and boron, molybdenum, chlorine and nickel. These are micronutrients which is essential for the plants. Later on, 17 discovered elements. In 1963, we have defined the term functional nutrients. Nicholas added 4 more beneficial nutrient here. So our already defined 17 elements, essential nutrients, and then 4 more beneficial nutrients have been come and introduced in 1963. These are the vanadium, silicon and cobalt and sodium. Because after that criteria of essentiality, the DJ Nicholas sir has checked that, and they are found that 17 are very important to the development and growth. But as per the requirements or as per the achievements in terms of economic yield of the plants, the 4 are more very important and played the vital role, because without these 4 elements, they are not achieving the economic yield as per the requirement. So they are very helpful elements which proved that very helpful. That's why the DJ Nicholas sir in 1963 they has given the new term and called it functional nutrient. So here functional nutrients, the 17 plus 4 beneficial nutrients, and the new term is introduced, functional nutrient in 1963 by the D.V. Nicholas, where the essential nutrients plus beneficial nutrients has been included. These are the classification of essential plant nutrients of 17, which we have already discussed. These are flow charts are made as per the for the learning purpose only.